MARKDOWN.
Oh, math God everyone, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning about percentage markdowns. So we're going to be taking a look at the basic definition of percentage markdowns, what is a markdown, how it works, and we're going to see a small problem with taxes involved. So let's begin. So guys, the first thing we're going to be taking a look at is actually the definition of markdowns, right? So the amount in which a product is reduced in price, right? So let's say, for example, that we have a t-shirt, right? And the t-shirt has a tag that says $100, right? Very expensive. But we also see that there is another tag that says that there is a promotion and you have 20% of discount. So 20% off. So how do you know what is the amount that you are going to be like paying for? What is going to be the selling price of this amount? So you're going to take the total and you're going to take or subtract the discount and you're going to have your selling price as an answer, right? So in this case, the total would be 100. The discount would be the 20% of 100, right, which is $20. And that means that the selling price of that shirt would be $80, right? So this is how markdowns work. It's basically the amount in which the product is reduced in price. So that basically the markdown here would be 20%, which in this case is equivalent to $20. Okay, guys? So we're always going to be using the percentage formula. So the part is going to be equal to the percentage times the whole. Now, when we have markdowns, the part is going to be the reduction in price, or we can also refer to that as the like discount, and that is going to be equal to the percentage times the whole, and the whole is going to be the original cost or the original price, right? And whenever we want to find that discount, like we did with the t-shirt, we're going to multiply the P, which is the percentage, which was 20%, times the original price, which was $10, right? Now, we're usually going to also, in real life, we're going to pay taxes, right? So whenever we're going to pay taxes, the amount we're going to pay for a good is usually the price of the good or the selling price, and we're going to multiply the tax percentage times the price. So we're not only going to pay for the price, but we're also going to pay the percentage of the tax multiplied by the price, right? So the total amount that you're going to pay is the price plus the taxes, right? So make sure you know that when solving a problem. Now, let's try taking a look at a problem to see if you guys understood. So guys, we have the following problem, which consists on two questions. So the problem says Andreina secretly loves Bratz dolls. She saw a tag that says that a Jasmine doll with a $25 tag was 60% off. Now the first question is, what was the selling price after the markdown, right? So what is the selling price after the discount? And then the second question is, if the taxes are 7%, how much did she end up paying? So remember, you do not pay exactly the amount that the good cost or the thing cost, because you're always going to pay a little bit extra with the taxes. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to find the selling price after the markdown. So we know that the part is going to be equal to the whole multiplied by the percentage, right? So the part or the discount is going to be equal to the whole, which was the original price, which is $25. And we're going to multiply that by the percentage, right? So it was 60% off. That's a bargain. So that's going to be 60% off. So that means it's going to be $25 multiplied by 0.6, because we are going to divide that 60 divided by 100 in order to find the ratio. And whenever we multiply 25 times 0.6, that is going to give us that the discount was $15, right? So we're going to take the original amount, which was $25, and we're gonna discount $15, right? So the selling price is going to be the original amount, which was $25, and we're gonna subtract $15. So that means that the selling price is going to be just $10. Wow. Now, it is $10, the Jasmine doll. But the second question is, if the taxes are 7%, how much is she going to be ended up paying? So the amount that Andreina is going to pay is going to be, again, the price, which is $10, plus the taxes or the tax percentages multiplied by the price. That is always going to be the formula, guys. The only thing that may or may not change is the tax. So the price is going to be $10, and then the tax percentage was 7% multiplied by $10. So that is going to be $10 plus 0.07 multiplied by 10, which is going to be $10 plus 0.07 times 10, which is 17 cents. And the total amount she's going to pay is $10.70. And that is pretty much it, guys. So remember, you're first gonna calculate the discount, then you're gonna find the selling price, and then you're gonna add the taxes in order to know how much you're going to pay. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!